Recently, yesterday the state government had a function of the Ministry of Tourism in the Institute Minister Baganda building, and today they had a function of the Directorate of Education in the same building. As you know, the Institute Minister Baganda building is not accessible for persons with disability, and we have been after the state government for the last 7 years to make the Institute Minister Baganda accessible for persons with disability. In the year 2014, the state government had issued a circular that all government departments should organize programs only in disabled-friendly places. But in spite of having the circular, in spite of having the Disability Act and the laws in place, the state government is organizing functions, state-level functions, in places which are not accessible for persons with disability. We do not understand why this is so and why the government is neglecting persons with disability, and they are treating persons with disability as though we are some kind of outcast. We take strong objection to this behavior of the government, and we demand that the government follows the government circulars and organizes programs, state level functions only in places which are accessible for persons with disability, failing which we will have to take action against the heads of the department under section 89 of the Persons with Disability Act, which mandates that there is a penalty for not implementing disability laws and circulars which are meant for the benefit of persons with disability.
Introduce yourself.
My name is Avalino Disa, and I am the president of the Disability Rights Association of Goa.